Stiff wear. Stiff wear.
Take it on your camera phone. Get a little back. You watch me plug down.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hey friends. Today I'm gonna be showing y'all how I prep my sew-in at night so that way it can look fresh and ready in the morning. Now, there are a few things that you're gonna need for this. First of all, we're gonna need some Flexi rods. I actually went to the beauty supply and got some Flexi rods. I got the 1 inch diameter size that came with 4 of these. And then I also got the big jumbo ones. So the big jumbo ones are like, I think 1 1/4 diameter. So it actually came with 3. It's really all you're gonna need. Since they're bigger, you don't really need that much. Another thing you're gonna need is some serum. This is the heat protectant serum that I use. Also, you're gonna need some type of spray. Now, I don't recommend you spraying this at night, but I do recommend after you're done styling your hair and everything, that after you fluff everything out, you spray it on so that way it can hold whatever style that you're going for. Now, I decided to pick up the Kenra volume spray. You're also gonna need some edge control. This is the edge control that I use, the edge effect, and of course the edge brush. Now y'all, I have been at work today, so that means I've been out in the humid heat of H-Town. Therefore, I am gonna need to touch up this here. So I'm gonna go ahead and touch it up with a hot comb. You can use any hot comb. I actually got this hot comb free with my Eunice bundles that I'm wearing right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on because right now it's switched to off. So let's see, and then you can adjust it. So I'm gonna go ahead and take some of this serum and put it on my leave out, because I do have a traditional sew-in. So I'm just gonna really put it on my leave out in the front of my hair mainly. I do have a bit of leftover product from this morning when I put the edge effect on my hair, so I'm just gonna comb that out since I'm gonna be doing my edges over. Now, the reason why I'm not using oil and I'm using serum is because you want your hair to keep the volume. You want your hair to be fluffy, flowy. So you definitely don't want the hair to be weighed down. Whenever your hair starts to look like it's weighed down, that means you have too much product in it and you need to wash it. But for now, we are going to just spruce it up a bit. So you definitely need a paddle brush. Paddle brushes work best when just combing out the hair. Now, for those of you who want to know how long I've had my sew-in in, it hasn't really been that long. It's been like maybe, let's see, I got the sew-in Friday, so see, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. So it's been like 5 days. So my sew-in is still fresh. So, but since I have a traditional sew-in, my leave out is going to, you know, get a little frizzy, especially with this humidity. Not to mention, when I got my sew-in, I actually needed a touch up because I am relaxed. So I can smell this, y'all. This is hot. So this is why I wanted to have that heat protectant on. So I'm sorry if y'all can't see it that well, but y'all see that? Y'all see the difference from this side to the other side? That's what a hot comb does. Okay, so now we're gonna do the other side. Okay, so I think we're good. Y'all see how flat that is? So we're gonna let that cool down. By the way, if y'all don't have one of these, get one of these. Like, this is perfect for when you have like hot combs and flat irons. This freaking hot comb gets up to 450, and so does my Babyliss flat iron. Like, y'all, it gets really hot. So okay, so now that we have that done, we can go ahead and do our heatless method, which is the Flexi rods. So we have about 7 Flexi rods total. So what I like to do is I like to go ahead and section my hair off. So I'm gonna separate it by sides. So I'm just gonna tie this back. Okay, I'm gonna just use this because I want to clamp this back because I do want to do my edges. So it looks like, as you can see, this stayed. So I'm just gonna touch this area up. Okay, so now that our edges are done, we are gonna go ahead and tie it up with a scarf. So this is just a random scarf that I got from the beauty supply. Okay, so as y'all can see, I put the Flexi rods in and I have my edges tied up. So I'm gonna go ahead and go wash off this makeup, go take my shower, do all that, and then I will see y'all in the morning so y'all can see how it turned out. Good morning. It is the next day, so we're gonna go ahead and undo this together. What can I say? I'm a rough sleeper, but for the most part these stayed in. See, I just took one off with these two. Okay, let's see. We unravel this one. Comes to these Flexi rods is I want like a blown out fluffy look. So my curls don't really have to be tight. I just want some type of curl, if that makes sense. Look at that. Yeah, this side definitely came out better than this side, but either way we gonna make it work. Let's see, do I have one more in the back? Oh no, that's just the clip. Okay, I'll show you the back. Y'all see how good this looks? It look good, baby, look good. Let me switch the lighting, cause okay, maybe y'all can see me better with this lighting. Whew. Lord, I got a little marks on my head, but my edges held up too for the most part. But with edges, you can always touch them up, but I at least like them to look decent. For the next morning, I like to run my fingers through them first, just to separate the curls a little bit. All right, next we gonna use our paddle brush and do what we gotta do. Look how bouncy that is. Like when I brush it, look at that. Okay. Oh yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Okay, so this is how the hair looks. If I had to touch up anything, it would be this portion here. I'm gonna go ahead and put a little serum the front. But for the most part, this hair has a shine. Ain't no doubt about it. Okay, that's perfect. Sorry y'all if I keep messing with the light. I hope y'all can see real good. But yeah, as you can see, our middle part stayed. It speaks for itself. The hair definitely speaks for itself. It's definitely giving body. It's definitely giving. Okay, it's definitely giving volume. My layers still hitting. I mean, what can I say? Like, so I think flexi rods are like perfect for this look. I may try rollers next. You know, the big jumbo rollers, you know, kind of do it old school. We'll see, but for the most part, these flexi rods are doing this thing. Really, all that needs to happen next is using our volume spray. And it's also good to get some humidity proof spray. I actually thought that's what I was getting at the store, because I actually have some more hairspray. It's Extreme Hold. It's by Bedhead. So this is what I'm referring to. I actually got this. I used to get this humidity spray from Bedhead, but obviously I didn't read and just picked up what I saw, what I thought was humidity spray. But either way, shoot, you can never have too much hairspray. But this brand works really good, and I'm excited to try more of their products. So yeah, this is a Super Hold finishing spray, and it's the volume spray. So, and you know what, this is good for humidity. It says it provides up to 120 hour super hold and 24-hour high humidity resistance. Okay, and it's award winning. Go off. It's fast drying, flake free, and wind resistant up to 25 miles per hour. So shake well for a super hold finish. Okay, let me spray the top of my head first where my leave out is, because that's where the humidity will hit. Okay, spray between these layers, boo. Gotta spray between these layers, boo. Stiff wear. Stiff wear. Yes, hunty.